What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle, and today is Monday, May 28th, so we actually are getting pretty close to the end of this cut. Today is actually just going to be an update weigh-in video, but I realized I haven't done a blood ketone reading in a while, so let's start with that. So for those of you that always ask, the device that I use is called a Keto Mojo. You can get them from ketomojo.com or Amazon. So let's get going. Just give myself a little bit of a prick here. Get a bit of blood out. You don't need too much for these things, surprisingly. And now we'll test it. Cool. And for the countdown, .7. Now that is actually pretty low for me, and I'm kind of surprised, not sure what's going on there. Yesterday I was at my parents' house for a barbecue, but kept it keto. It was just ribs and a cauliflower salad. This morning I did go to the gym, so that could be part of the issue. When you work out, your body does burn ketones, and also I haven't been up that long, so that could be contributing to a lower reading. But it's definitely something interesting. Typically my ketone levels are in that like 1 to 1.5 range. Now let's go ahead and check out the weigh-in video. So as you guys can see, I did not hit a new weigh-in this week. That's alright by me. Doesn't discourage me one bit. I knew when I just free fell last week, I mean, it was just a real hard drop. I knew that this week was going to be kind of a rough week, and I was definitely noticing my weight bouncing around. That's okay by me. Still under 210, which is great because that was my goal for this cut. Now my next goal is to get under 205. I've got like 2-ish weeks, 3 weeks, something like that to do that, so I'm really hoping that I'll make it. But again, it's not discouraging to me. I think I'm doing just fine, and to be honest, I knew I would tick up, so not really the end of the world there. Remember guys, new weigh-ins shouldn't be the only thing that makes you happy, right? You gotta be happy in life, and this should just be a bonus when you get those things. As far as my body goes, I'm happy, guys. It's definitely better than it was. This is like the first time in my life I've ever actually been able to see my abs. I wish I had better lighting, but the lighting upstairs there is really awful. But when I get under like some serious down lighting, like at the gym, I definitely can see that the hard work that I've been putting in is paying off. And that's the one thing that I really try to focus on, is that the little things, the little changes based on the hard work that I'm putting in kind of motivate me. Even if it's not much, even if it's, you know, my bicep looks a little bit bigger or I look a little bit leaner. I focus on the small victories. I know I'm not going to be completely like just jacked overnight, and that's okay. I mean, I wish it happened a little bit faster, but the problem I'm facing right now is I'm trying to cut and then I need to bulk up. But in all honesty, having lost, you know, over 115 pounds so far, I really feel like the amount of muscle mass that I've lost is really insignificant. I mean, I'm ready to go on a bulk, and I really want to do that, but the reality of it is this cut has not been that bad. Even though it's been a couple years that I've been cutting, I wasn't super strict through there, so I was able to make some strength increases, but these past like 12 weeks have been brutal because I can definitely see my strength decreasing. I can definitely tell that I'm losing a little bit of muscle mass, but that's at the expense of being leaner and actually being able to see the muscle. So it's this weird balancing act that I'm still trying to grow accustomed to. I also wish I had better lighting to show you guys, but bear with me, it's what I have to work with, and I'm sure even if you look at the comparison there, you can distinctly see a difference from when we started this to where I am now. Now, as far as diet goes, guys, I'm doing the same thing, exercise is the same. If you guys are not familiar with that, what I'm currently doing is I'm hovering right around 1,600 calories a day, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, and I'm doing 4 days a week in the gym, and then in the mornings, additionally, I'm training abs and doing a little bit of cardio. Now, things have gotten a little bit hectic this week because obviously today's a holiday, so I am able to hit the gym today, but later on this week I've got some medical things going on, and there was some last week. So doctor's appointments and just general health have been taking precedence over the gym. So I haven't exactly been able to go as hard at some of those workouts as I've been wanting to, or been able to go as often as I've been wanting to. But that's okay, guys. Fitness is about making it work around your life. Nobody, aside from people that do this for a living, has the perfect time or the perfect, day to go to the gym. You don't have that luxury. You've got to work it around your job, your family, a million other things going on. So if you miss a day or two, it's not the end of the world. Just stay on track. Try to, if you don't go to the gym that day, maybe eat a little bit less calories. Whatever you've got to do to make it work. You don't have to be there every single day at the exact same time, on this strict regimen. Although some people that works very, very well, but life happens to some of us. And as I'm getting older and kind of, having a career and stuff like that, it's becoming more and more prevalent that I can't actually just focus on it like a lot of these, Instagram and YouTube fitness guys, because that is their job. So remember that. Don't compare yourself to them. Don't compare yourself to, what they do in terms of their workout routines. They do this for a living. They're able to put all of their attention on that. Unfortunately, most of us aren't, and I'm in that category currently. With that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video because it's around 11:30 now. I need to edit this, get it posted, then I've got to, do a little bit more work, do work around the house, and then the Golden Knights game is on at 5 o'clock, and I'm really excited that because it's the first year our city has ever had a professional hockey team, and we're in the Stanley Cup, so that game starts at 5, so I'm probably gonna head down to a bar nearby and watch the game and maybe have a couple drinks. If I do, it's gonna be something like a ramen diet to keep, everything keto, but I definitely want to check out that game, and it's all about fitting things into your life, right? I think that's kind of the running theme of this video, is just fit it into your life. So that, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, go and hit the subscribe button. You can follow my progress, and let me know how you're doing in the comment section, because I know a lot of you guys have been doing this with me. If you like the video, you leave it a like, and I will see you guys in the next one.